Hey, so I'm going to share my thoughts on the DoorbellBoa anti-theft door mount. So I've been using this for a while now, and I have to say it's been a game changer. So first of all, this door mount requires absolutely no tools. It comes with everything in order to install, and it won't damage your property. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So it comes with a bunch of different sizes of like sponge. So what you're going to do is try to measure how big your doorbell camera is and the shape of it, and just place all of these sponges all inside here so it's protected. Now make sure that it does not block the front of the camera so that you still have all of these options here. So as you can see, I've already have it inserted here. I'm going to place this last piece just on the back here. So now this is basically saying that your doorbell camera itself is protected within this case. Now to actually hook it up to the door, there's this piece now. So all you actually have to do is slide this piece right here. So it's going to look just like this, right? So this is the part essentially that's going on the door. But what you have to do next is put this piece underneath this little lip here so that it is actually secured within the front piece. So you just push it in, push this piece in, and there you go. Both pieces are now connected. So the next step, all that you have to do basically, is open your door and slide this on. And that's easy. It's as simple as this. This is the part that you're going to see on the inside. You have the doorbell that's on the outside. And as you remember that we put those sponges so that it does not block any obstruction. If you have a two-way audio, you can still communicate easily because the speaker is right there. So overall, basically with this door mount, I could not be happier, especially knowing that this doorbell is actually protected from anyone who might want to steal it, because you can't actually take it out of this case. So, and the fact that it does no damage to this door, I would absolutely recommend this door mount. Again, super simple. Just put it right here, push it in, and close. That's it.